put that all over. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. Use this pink right here. This will be like the transition color. When I did this on my picture, or when I did my makeup that day, I did this part last, but I'm going to do it now. This is the color I'm going to put on my lid, but I'm going to just put a little bit of this like on the upper part of it. So, alright. Bright color, this little, what is this? It's like a pinkish tan, like a salmon-y tan. I'm gonna put that like a little bit in the brow bone, just so it doesn't go straight from pink to like a white or tan, you know? Morphe Jaclyn Hill. It's one of the Vault palettes. I think this one is Dark Magic. Does it say? So I'm taking the color Busted, and I'm gonna put that in the outer and inner corners because it's gonna be like a halo. Darker, but it looks a little crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out, of course. So now I'm using the same blending brush. As you can see, it has pink on it, and I'm just adding some more of that pink from the BH Cosmetics palette, and just try to blend it in with the blue, just so the color doesn't die out, but then so it's also blended all together, you know. And I'm still going to go back in with the blue again too. The brighter pink I used was from this Element of Surprise from ColourPop. I'm going to mix these two because I don't like using shimmers like that in my shadows or my brow bone, but this one is so pretty. So I'm gonna have to just add a oh shit, I didn't really go up here, but kind of be cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to finish this up, get my headphones in the mirror. Now I'm gonna set it with my here's my transition color. I did that to my eyeshadow base too. I think I didn't film it. Oh, fuck. I'm just use a flat brush for that. So I'm going to use the Element of Surprise in that pink color. Going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to put that in the inner and outer corner. Only a little bit though, because I'm going to add another color. And then I'm also going to just go over the top right here. So I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm also going to put that by the pink. And this is so pretty. Look at that. Next, I'm using the Soft Matte Lip Cream and I'm using the Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Foul Mouth.